Hello, it's Tina with TSRcreations. Back today with another video. I'm doing the pink and the black again because I loved the way that little swipe came out. So I did half and half. I'm using the Liquitex Basics Portrait Pink again, mixed with floetrol and water. And then my black is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black with floetrol and water. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do like a twist open cup twirl here. And kind of go around. I think I'm gonna go in here and then maybe up that way. We'll see. So let's start here, and I'm going to use the same colors I used the other day. A little light blue. This is just a piece of PVC pipe that I got at Home Depot. And that, oh shoot, that were the wrong colors. Oh well, they're gonna be those colors in there today, just for a little bit. Oh man, I did just do the wrong colors because I have these sitting here. Hold on a second. Hold on, error. So I just pulled it off kind of. That's a little bit of blue is not gonna bother it. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my colors that I wanted to use today, which is Artist Loft Turquoise, some Liquitex Deep Violet, Artist Loft Ultramarine, Artist Minds Candy Apple Green, Yellow, and let's twist and twirl it. And let's do it again. I'm going to put in the iridescent electric plum. And I have a little bit of this rose gold. think it looks great. Pretty, really pretty colors going on in here, and there's so much sparkle and shine in this one. It's just not coming off on the camera. And that's from the rose gold and the iridescence that I used, the playful pink. Very happy with this. It's really pretty. It's different. You know, you get tired of doing the same thing all the time. But I'm really happy with this. A couple little touch-ups, areas I see that my canvas isn't covered. But that's about it. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, and share and all that stuff. I'll link a couple videos here of different twists and twirls that I do. And if you want to go check those out. All right, have a great one. See you soon.